Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Pretty Rendition and I am a licensed cosmetologist located in the 757 area of Virginia, Newport News to be specific. It is officially silk press season. Here I am back with another silk press, not tutorial, but just showing my process on one of my clients here. As you can see, she has a little bit thicker hair than my last client in the last video I did. So here I am just going through detangling everything and getting her ready to get blown out before she gets pressed. This client came in and had just come out of some braids. So to get started with her service, I used the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo to get all of the product buildup out of her hair. I've added all of my heat protection products and I'm just going in with my From blow dry brush and getting her all the way blown out, fully stretched before I start her press. The services she got done on this day also included a steam shampoo treatment, a deep conditioning treatment, as well as a trim. Anytime you're coming out of braids or a protective style, it's always a good idea to add additional hydration and double check to see if a trim is needed. 9 times out of 10, it will be. I will be sure to link all of the products and tools that I'm using in today's video in the description box. I'm not going to talk the whole video, so I want to thank y'all for watching and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, I will leave my link to my website in the description box for ways in which you can contact me for any collaborations or to book any appointments or services from me.